Hi everyone, this is attorney Ayhan Ogmen. The first question we have is, this follower says, how can I apply for my son's green card? What would you recommend us? That this person is asking us. It says that my son has a visa, which is B1 and B2, for 10 years. I would like to file for his I-130 application. Is it better for him to be here for change of status, or to stay in his country? Can he still come and actually visit while his I-130 is pending? So to answer your questions, what I want to say is this. I mean, I understand that. I'm assuming that you're a US citizen, and I'm assuming that your son is either under 21 years old or is over 21 years old. So let's assume that your son is under 21 years old, then the waiting time for his visa will be less. Let's say, if your son is under 21, so then he's going to be able to actually get his green card through you maybe in a year. But if your son is over actually 21 years old, then that waiting time may be jumped to actually 6-7 years or even longer. So if that's the first instance, let's say, and if your son has B1 or B2 visa, then when he comes to the United States, right, for travel purposes, during his legal status in the US, after, let's say, 90 days, we'll be able to file for his change of status, and he's going to be able to get the green card here without leaving, actually without traveling again. So that will be the suggestion if your son is under 21 years old and if you're a US citizen. But if your son is over 21 years old, then yeah, the problem will be then he's either going to stay here under legal status or keep maintaining his legal status. But if he's not, and if he's going to be traveled back and forth, then he should make sure that not to violate his B2 status. And once you apply for his green card, right, he's going to wait for his visa processing time to come around, which will be years later. So in the meantime, if he's traveling back and forth under B visa, then he's not going to have a problem. But at the border, if they question him, oh, you coming to travel, but we see your debt apply for you, then he can answer to them that's a waiting time is actually, so my intention is not to stay here right now because I do have a business in my country, or I have to travel back and forth. So that's not going to be an issue. So if he's 21 years old, you can apply for his green card, and he can travel back and forth. So that will be my answer actually to your question.